For sale, 2015 Freightliner M2 Altec DL45B digger, Derrick, 45-foot sheave height, Cummins ISL diesel. The 2015 Freightliner M2 equipped with an Altec DL45B digger. Derrick is a heavy-duty utility and construction truck built for pole setting, line installation, and power infrastructure operations. Powered by a Cummins ISL 8.9-liter turbo diesel engine, producing 270 horsepower, and paired with an Allison 3500RDS automatic transmission, it delivers excellent torque and smooth, reliable performance, ideal for demanding field conditions. With a 33,000-pound GVWR and Class 7 chassis, it provides outstanding stability, strength, and operational capability. The Altec DL45B features a 45.3-foot sheave height and 34.6-foot horizontal reach, supported by a robust 3-stage telescopic boom. It includes a 2-speed digger drive, 18-inch auger, and continuous rotation system for efficient and precise drilling. Rear-mounted multi-lever stand-up controls give the operator superior visibility and control, while the capstan winch and boom tip winch expand functionality for pole and material handling. Built for reliability, the boom system integrates hydraulic side load protection and a durable steel construction designed for long-term use in rugged environments. The truck features a Freightliner Airliner air suspension, single rear axle rated at 21,000 pounds, and front axle rated at 13,220 pounds. Additional highlights include a front bumper winch, backup camera system, and a steel utility body with multiple lockable compartments for secure tool and equipment storage. The 50-gallon diesel tank provides extended operational range, while the clean gray regular cab offers a practical and durable operator environment. Fleet maintained and one owner, this unit has been professionally serviced and is ready for immediate deployment in the field. It combines the proven reliability of Freightliner with the industry-leading performance of Altec's DL45B digger, Derrick system, a perfect match for electric utility, telecom, or construction applications.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership. Because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.